certificate of appreciation is given to Federico Infante Jr. for his invaluable service in the presence of the Lord as our guest speaker in our district fellowship and held on April 20, 2024 at Bayas Seventh-day Adventist Church, Estancia, Iloilo. Given this 20th day of April 2024 at Bayas Seventh-day Adventist Church, Estancia, Iloilo. Kung tawgon ang atong district pastor kag si president naton si Jimwell. Okay. Pastor, pakihatag lang kay Sir. Okay. So, okay. Okay.